Okay.
So I am here at an event that I did down in San Diego with the amazing star stylist Ann Freeman, and it's actually a viewing party for Oprah's last episode. So we're just packing up. Oprah just finished the viewing. You know, the last episode, we sat here and cried a little and laughed a little. But with the theme of hoopla being women behaving boldly, you know, I could think of no other woman in the world that has exemplified living boldly other than Oprah Winfrey. She has devoted her life to inspiring women like us to live better lives and to embrace the life that we live. But there are women here in the present that live boldly, and this one is one of them. So little will you know, Ann Freeman has had 2 babies.
You're crying.
2 babies. One when her husband was deployed as a Navy SEAL in our military, and he missed the birth of the first one. For the second baby, born February 17th, he made it home how many minutes before her birth?
Well, he came home and then I was induced the next day, so like 24 hours.
24 hours, he made it home. So Ann Freeman, I can think of no one else
You're so sweet.
behaving as boldly as you have. And thank you to you and your family for all that you do for our country. And it's awesome what you're doing. So Ann works this business on top of a full-time job, has 2 little ones, and a husband in the military. So
And I love it, and it's totally worth it. And it's my me time and my social time, and it brings me so much joy and happiness. And I love everything Stella and Dot's about.
So if you ever think that you can't do this and you can't live as bold, find some inspiration, find Oprah, find Ann Freeman, find someone, because you can't live a bold life.